We are Northern Powergrid. We're the ones who manage the electricity network that powers everyday life for more than 8 million people across 3.9 million homes and businesses in the North East, Yorkshire and Northern Lincolnshire. At Northern Powergrid, we take personal responsibility in providing you with a safe and reliable electricity supply. When we're first made aware of a power cut, we often need to access the electricity substation and check the electrical fuses and carry out some testing to identify what caused the power cut. If everything in the substation is in order, we'll carry out some further investigations in the local area to find where the problem is. In some cases, we'll fit specialist fault-finding equipment at the substation, which can help identify whereabouts on the network the fault has occurred. This means that we can get to the location quickly and develop a strategy for getting the power back on. Then we'll need to start digging, possibly in the pavement or road, so we can access the electricity cables underground. It can take some time, and if we need to dig in the road, we might need to arrange for traffic management. Once we've assessed the electricity cable, we can make repairs and get your lights back on. Our team won't stop until your power is safely back on. Once we've fixed the fault, we'll come back to fill the hole in, usually within a couple of days. We always want to deliver a 10 out of 10 service, and we're here to support you 24/7 if you need us.